This is the story of Ethan and Leo, two boys who grew up under the same sky, walked the same streets, studied in the same classrooms, and dreamed the same dreams. They used to talk about escaping mediocrity, about becoming more, about living a life that mattered. Ethan's life looked harmless on the surface. He woke up around 10 a.m., grabbed his phone, and told himself he deserved a slow start. A few notifications turned into endless scrolling. One reel became 10, one video became an hour. He wasn't lazy, at least that's what he believed. He was busy reacting, busy consuming, busy doing everything except moving forward. Work happened randomly, without structure, without urgency, and somehow every night arrived faster than expected. When Ethan lay in bed, staring at the ceiling, the guilt crept in, silent, heavy, familiar. A voice whispered, "Today was wasted, but tomorrow I'll fix everything." Tomorrow became a promise that never showed up. Leo lived the same life at first, same distractions, same excuses, same comfort. Until one ordinary day, something small happened, something that didn't look powerful, but was. Leo came across a 100-day plan. No hype, no loud motivation, no fake positivity, just structure, rules, a system. It didn't promise happiness, it promised change, if followed without negotiation, and that's what made it dangerous. The first decision Leo made felt uncomfortable. He reduced contact. Less conversations, less noise, less influence. Not because he hated Ethan, not because he thought he was better, but because Leo finally understood a brutal truth most people avoid. Your environment decides your discipline, and sometimes staying close to comfort means staying far from growth. Distance isn't always abandonment, sometimes it's survival. Days passed, then weeks, then months, and slowly a gap formed, quietly, invisibly at first. After 100 days, the difference between Ethan and Leo wasn't subtle anymore. Ethan felt stuck in motion, always busy, always tired, always confused. His mind felt crowded, his emotions controlled him, his confidence disappeared the moment life applied pressure. Leo was different, calm, focused, energized. His words carried weight, his posture reflected certainty. His finances improved, his relationships stabilized, and most importantly, he trusted himself. Same background, same potential, different systems. And here's the uncomfortable question you can't escape anymore. What if the only thing separating you from your best version isn't talent, luck, or motivation, but a structured 100 days? This journey has nothing to do with hype. Motivation fades the moment life gets hard. This is about rebuilding your mind, your body, and your focus from the ground up. Because transformation doesn't start with muscles, it starts with control. The first phase is the mind reset. Most people attack the body first, gym, diet, routines. But if your mind is distracted, emotionally unstable, and addicted to stimulation, discipline collapses under pressure. Today, the human mind lives in a war zone. One side demands constant stimulation, notifications, trends, entertainment, drama. The other side is exhausted, begging for silence. But the moment silence arrives, discomfort appears. Boredom feels painful, stillness feels scary, so people escape again. The average person unlocks their phone nearly 100 times a day. Each unlock steals focus, clarity, and emotional stability. The first 30 days are not about becoming productive. They're about becoming aware. You stop multitasking. You stop reacting. You choose one direction. Your day begins without your phone. Instead, you write, you reflect, you confront your thoughts. And on weekends, you allow boredom. No stimulation, no escape. Because boredom forces the brain to reset. Small habits follow. Making your bed, cleaning your space, finishing small tasks. These wins rebuild internal trust. These days are not glamorous, but they are necessary. Then comes body discipline, not for appearance, for energy.
Your body is the engine that carries your ambition. A neglected body destroys consistency silently. Movement becomes daily. Food becomes fuel, not entertainment. Junk builds damage slowly until one day your body fails you, possibly at the moment you needed it most. Sleep becomes non-negotiable, because without rest, focus dies and emotions spiral. As your body strengthens, confidence returns. Quiet, grounded confidence. Finally, focus mode, the most powerful phase. Focus doesn't mean working harder, it means working without escape. 2 hours a day, no phone, no noise, no distractions, just you and the one thing that moves your life forward. This deep work rewires identity, skills sharpen, results compound. And in the final days, reflection reveals the truth. If consistency breaks, you restart. That's why most people fail. But those who restart honestly don't just improve, they transform. After 100 days, when you look back, the difference will shock you. Not because of a video, not because of a plan, but because you chose discipline when comfort felt easier. And now, the story is no longer about Ethan or Leo. It's about you. Where will you be after the next 100 days? Let me know by commenting.